Hi friends, this is Heather with Keep It Simple Social Media, and in this video I want to speak to people that are just starting out using Instagram for your business or even personally right now. I am going to walk you through each part of Instagram so you feel more comfortable getting started with this app. But first, let me tell you that Instagram is the second most downloaded app there is, next to YouTube. There are now over 1 billion active users on Instagram. So it's a fun platform for your business to grow online. And it's all about photos and visual and tagging and interaction. And you can also link it to your Facebook business page because Instagram is one of the Facebook families. So it's one of the apps that Facebook owns next to WhatsApp and private messaging as well on Facebook. So let's hop right into the Instagram. This is Keep It Simple Social Media's Instagram account. And you're looking, if I was to click on the little round circle on the bottom, this takes me to our Instagram wall. And on the top, on the left-hand side, well, if I click on that, this is called an Instagram story. And I'm going to show you how to create those Instagram stories in the next video. But right now, we're just going to walk through what Instagram is to help you understand the value of getting started. So below my circle, it tells me the name of my company, my name. There's a little bit of a bio, so to speak, and a link that goes to, of course, my website. Below that, I can edit my profile. So if I click on it, you can see I can edit all the information that you just saw, as well as I can start to link my business page. I can put in categories. And when you sign up for your account, a lot of these fields will be filled in for you as you're starting your account. Now, I'm just going to click done in the top right corner, and that takes me back to my wall on Instagram. If I was running promotions, I would click on the promotions button. And then for anyone that comes to my account, if they wanted to contact me, they would click contact, and you see my email address is there and my cell number. So I just click on the face of my phone and that drops the contact back out. Now below these contact, edit profile, and promotions, you see little circles, and some of the circles actually have covers on them. And I do have a video to teach you how to create covers for these are called highlights. So these highlights actually are created out of your stories. You see, your stories only appear on Instagram for 24 hours. For anyone to see your story, it will only appear for them for 24 hours. However, for you as the owner of the Instagram account, in the bars in the top right corner, those 3 straight lines, also known as a hamburger, if you click them, you will see something called Archives under your Settings tab. If I click Archives, you will see all of the stories that Keep It Simple Social Media has created over time. And I can click on those stories and put them into any one of these files or highlights as they're called. And so they're a really nice way to get people to binge through your Instagram account by simply clicking on them, and then it will open and you can see all the different stories that are under that particular highlight. Now that can be confusing in the beginning, and that's all okay. We are going to work through many videos teaching you how to get started with Instagram. Now below here, what we have is a gridded bar on the left, and this is all of the Instagram posts that Keep It Simple Social Media has posted. And next to it is a TV set. This stands for IGTV. If I click on it, you will see the videos, and these are longer form videos, which means longer than 1 minute, and I have created an IGTV. And next to that, you see the little person. Well, these are all posts that we have been tagged in and saved on our Instagram account. Now we're going to go back to the grid. And if you want to create your first post on Instagram, at the very bottom of your wall, you see a plus sign right there. I click on it and automatically it pulls up videos or pictures that are on my Instagram account where I can go ahead and create a post based on that picture. Or I can click on this grid in the middle and I can combine my photos, or I can click on select multiple photos, and you'll see I can then just go ahead and click on a whole bunch of photos, up to 10 photos actually. And if I was to click next in the top right corner, this is where I could choose a filter if I wanted to, but I've already created filters on that particular photo. And then I would click next in the top right corner. And here's where I could tag people if they were in it. I could go ahead and add a location, and then I could write something. And because I'm on my smartphone, I could actually click on the microphone and write something else. Now, the other thing I want to tell you is you can use up to 30 hashtags, which help your post to be searchable on Instagram. And I often go into my notes on my phone, and all of my notes on my phone actually have Instagram hashtags already created. So then I can just put my finger on here and I can copy all of these hashtags so I don't have to write them out every single time, and then I click on my phone and I paste them. And then I would just click on OK, and I would go ahead and I would then share this post. I could also, because my Facebook business page is connected, I could share it to my Facebook business page. And I'm just going to discard this and I'm going to cancel and go out of here. So that is actually how you add a post. Now on the very left side, if I clicked it, this actually is my news feed on Instagram. And in the top right-hand corner, this is where you're going to find private messages that people have sent to Keep It Simple Social Media, or general private messages from people that I'm actually not connected with. And the circles that run across the top, well, those circles are stories from other accounts that showcase on the top. Now, if I wanted to click on one of these people in my news feed because I'd like to see their posts all the time, I'd click the three little dots and I could turn on post notifications. And that means I am going to be guaranteed from Instagram that when I go on my news feed, I possibly will see the post from that account that I want to follow. The magnifying glass on the bottom, well, this is your search option where you can go ahead and search for other Instagram accounts or to see what's trending on Instagram. And then you already know what the plus sign is for. So let's talk about the love heart. Well, the love heart are your notifications. These are people that are sharing the love of what you're posting on Instagram. And it's a really good idea to pay attention in case anyone is actually commenting. Like Catherine said here, woohoo, can't wait, talking about our Toronto boot camp that we're going to be doing soon. So these are your notifications, and it's good to keep an eye on the people that are connecting. You see, when I just clicked now on the little circle on the bottom right, it took me right back to my Instagram account. Now in the top right hand corner, if we click those three little lines again, you can see it goes into your settings tabs, and in your settings tabs you can go through each one of these tabs to find out what they stand for, and how you want to maybe receive your notifications from Facebook. If you have not got a business account, you can go ahead and click on your privacy settings, and you can see everything that's going on in your privacy. You can switch from a business account to a personal account. That's entirely up to you when you're just getting started. But there's a lot behind the scenes, and it does take time. It's known as time on task. Instagram is a fabulous social network. It's a lot of fun. It's evenly balanced with men and women. It's very visual, and I actually purchase a lot of products off of Instagram. So I hope this video on getting started is a nice way for you to dip your toes into the pool of marketing your business on Instagram. I'd love to hear about your account, your success. I'd like to know what your Instagram handle or your name is. So go ahead and add it in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe so you can watch all the videos that I've talked about previously about your Instagram account, creating covers for your folders or your highlights on Instagram, and shooting video for Instagram. There's all kinds of things that you can learn.